Shuttered industrial metal gate hinges are some of the toughest in the world. These bolt-on or weld-on hinges are suitable for heavy, commercial-style gates. The hinges suit a variety of heavy-duty gate applications. Visit our website to choose the hinge most suitable to your application. It's recommended the self-closing model be mounted to the top of the gate to close the gate efficiently. Bolt-on hinges are available when welding is not an option. They come in centre mount, face mount and wall mount models. Shuttered hinges feature high-temp sealed bearings that are safe to powder coat with hinges installed on the gate. This excludes the self-closing models. To powder coat, set the gate where it can be conveniently worked on. Unscrew the through bolt and mask the areas shown in blue before powder coating for correct functioning of the hinge. After powder coating, reassemble the hinge. To adjust horizontal alignment, loosen the bottom nut and slide the gate as required for fine adjustment. Lock the nut back into place. Repeat this process for the bottom hinge. Your shuttered mounted gate is now ready for use.